Welcome to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also your kids are doing great. So today we are going in bus. Where are you going to do? Going in bus. So Jaden, he kept on asking me that he wants to go in a bus and it's been really long since he's been asking me. So at last today I decided we'll go in a bus and going to Banargata. That route I would say it's best. A good view and lakes and all you guys can see. So yes, direct bus is there from Shivajinagar. So we came to Shivajinagar. It's been 5 minutes, and we are waiting here. Here you can see on the board the names and all. And all, of course, I checked in the Google all the information, the bus number and everything. So yes, just waiting for the bus, and I want him to have fun. And weather is so good that definitely will not feel hot. I've packed the bag. I've got all the stuff in this. Sure that I carry extra jacket, caps and everything for Jaden, which is really important. Just have to be very careful. So once I get into the bus, I will get in touch with you guys again because it's a bit of crowd. Not much of crowd, I would say. Still okay, but it's been ages since I actually came here. So I'm a bit worried and nervous, but yes. And along with Jaden, I'm like very much worried, so I need to see how it goes. We waited for long for the Banagata bus, but we were not able to get one. So we decided we are going to go to Majestic. Majestic buses, there are multiple buses from Shivajinagar. So we took Majestic bus, and then we are going to go to Majestic, and from Majestic we will go to Banagata. Yes, baby. Happy, happy? Enjoying? See how so nice. Yeah, hey, be careful.
चांगलं दिसतं बाहेर.
हा, व्ह्यू चांगला.
पडल्याचं गोड नॉर्मल सस्टन केलं असतं.
मी आज
नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट
Who's that? Who's that?
See?
Who's that?
Sock.
Song? No, we are not going there. Not now. As we reach Majestic, we got the bus. It was already here. So yes, we left from the Majestic now. And Jaden is here.
Say hi.
Enjoying. Where are you saying hi? So yes guys, we are on the way to Banargata. Not sure, it depends on the timing. If we reach there early, then yes, we'll go inside. But if not, then just bus ride. That's it.
Alexi is not there.
Look at him, guys. He just wants to stand holding that. See, your hands are like paining, right?
Enough. Come
That's
sit
why I
up.
told you. Sit down. Come on, baby. Jaden, sit down.
Enough. Sit down.
Baby, sit down, baby. We're almost here, guys. Jaden is sleeping. We're about to reach. Not sure if he's gonna wake up. Let's see. We are here, guys. Banargata National Park. So crowded. Extremely crowded. We are here at a restaurant called Fine Dine Restaurant. This is outside Banargata Zoo. It's good actually. They have AC and everything. It is good, I would say. It's really nice place. Get veg, non-veg, everything over here. So it's a good place to visit. And before coming here, as you guys saw that Jen was sleeping. So what we did is like we thought he's gonna take some time. So as we got down from the bus, he actually woke up. And he saw the toys and all over them near the bus stop, and he wanted to pick some. So he picked this mouth organ, which is so cute, and then he bought this ball which has a light. And now he's drinking water. We are done with food, guys. This is the restaurant that we had been. Really tasty food. Was good actually. The sitting area and all, everything was amazing. So now we're heading back. We'll be leaving now. It's gonna be 5. So I feel it's a good time. And also they have a resort over here, guys. There is this resort actually. This hotel, it also has a resort. You can come here, you can stay here. You'll have a lot of fun activities here which you can play. I saw this zip line and all. So it was really fascinating. Maybe next time I'll plan and I'll get Jaden here and we'll stay overnight. Nice place actually. I bought this cap over here for 150 bucks. It's so cute. It was really great time that we had. Jedu, you had fun? Jedu, you had fun? I want to bubbles. This guy and the bubbles, never ending story. So many bubbles he has. He just goes home and throws it away. That's it. Time is 6 p.m. guys. We're almost gonna reach Kempegoda, that is Majestic bus stand. There is Jaden. We're almost gonna reach Majestic. So it's a peaceful ride actually. Even while coming, we did not feel like too much of crowd or anything. It was really peaceful, and that too being Sunday, it was very peaceful. And even while going back also, we got a place to sit and it was very peaceful. So yes, I would say it was really a good experience on the bus. After almost 8 to 10 years, it's been that I have traveled in bus. So yes, today because of Jaden, we were actually able to travel in local bus. It was good. Peru. We reached the Majestic bus stop and we were so lucky enough that we got a bus directly to my house. So we don't have to go to Shivaji Nagar. We are going to take the bus from here itself directly to my house. And here is Jaden. I don't buy him chocolates. I never bought him chocolate. This is the very first time I bought him chocolate. And he was